dark skin, light skin, medium tongue, sperm ting braids, got mini afros, big lips, got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a video, bro. Wanna put pretty like Kardashian, wanna put pretty like my.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Mixed Color Brown Curly Bob Wig Compact 13x4 Frontal Short Lace Wig, 100% human hair. Jumping straight into the video, this is how the unit is being portrayed online, and then this is how the unit came looking right out of the box, and then this is how the unit is looking right after I shampooed and conditioned her. Now to me, the version that's being portrayed online versus the in real life version are a little bit different from one another. Personally, I prefer the in real life version just because I like the curl pattern better. On the one that's being portrayed online, to me the hair looks a little bit more thinner and stringier. In person, the unit is coming across thicker and the curls are more defined. According to the website, the product details for this unit says that this unit comes in either 12 or 14 inches. I received the 12 inch. Currently, the 14 inch is out of stock, but possibly by the time this video goes up, it might be back in stock. It's also stating that the density is 150%. The material is 100% virgin hair from one donor. The unit can last 1 or more years, and of course, that's with proper care of the unit. The color for this unit is a mixed color of a 4 and a /30. The hairline is said to have a lightly plucked, natural looking hairline. The unit can be dyed because of course it is human hair. There's adjustable straps. The circumference for this unit is a 22.5, which is their standard medium. The lace color for this unit is a medium brown, and the lace area is said to be a compact 13x4. I want to talk about the hairline first. I really like and appreciate that they put it's naturally lightly plucked, because this unit definitely came lightly plucked. To me, you could tell that it's been lightly plucked, but you could also tell that it was going to need some more plucking. To me, the knots on this unit were a little bit on the thicker side, so I did go in and bleach the knots, but I also plucked the unit some more, and to me, I just feel like it looks way better. Now, the cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 3 are at the front, with 1 being in the very center and the other 2 being on the sides. It also comes with adjustable straps and a pre-attached elastic band that you can adjust to your liking. As stated in the product details, this is a compact 13x4, meaning you're getting 13 inches going straight across and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. But seeing as how it's a compact 13x4, the 4 inches of parting space is pretty much right here in the center of the unit. I'll pop up a picture that LuvMe Hair has on their website, and it kind of shows it better. I'm not gonna lie, pulling this unit straight out of the box, I'm not having the highest hopes for her, but let's go ahead and install her and then see if my mind changes. So let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. As I stated earlier in the video, I wasn't the biggest fan of this unit when it first came out of the package, but I need to seriously stop doubting LuvMe Hair because I feel like anytime I doubt a unit, I take the time, I put a little bit of elbow grease into the unit, and then I make it do what it do, and I end up loving the unit. To me, this unit is giving a naturalista corporate baddie with a little bit of spice, you know, because of the color. If you can't tell, I'm really liking this unit. I really like how the curls are fluffy yet defined at the same time. And keep in mind, this is how the unit is looking after I shampooed and conditioned her. Now again, when I first took this unit out of the package, the curls were extremely defined. But something that I'm noticing on the website is that they show more pictures of the unit in the wet look. They do have a cluster of pictures showing it in the dry look. This unit is 100% dry. In comparison to the pictures that they're showing for the dry look versus my actual unit, those curls still look like they're a little bit looser in texture, but it could also be that that model might have possibly brushed out her unit a little bit. For me, I haven't raked any combs or brush or anything, no fingers, nothing through this unit. This is how the unit dried, and so it could possibly be that, like, that's why my curls look a little bit more tighter compared to the website, is because I haven't brushed through them, combed through them, or anything like that. When it comes to the color of this unit, sometimes I get a little bit nervous thinking that it might be too close to my skin tone, but then I feel like it always ends up looking really good, so I need to stop being so nervous about stuff. Initially, I was a little bit scared and worried about the fact that this is a tightly curled bob. I was just like, is it going to age me? Is it just gonna look flat out funny on me? But no, I feel like the bob is eating. I feel like this 12-inch bob is very appropriate for the spring and summertime because, let's be real, we're not trying to have all that hair on our necks and backs. But I mean, like, I don't know, like I said, the bob is eating, and she's flowy and bouncy. Like, yes ma'am. Now, as much as I'm loving this bob, I do have to point out a few things, and the first one would have to be that she's not big head friendly. Even though the unit is sitting on my head comfortably, she's not squeezing or anything like that. I did have to go in and make some adult hairs, aka baby hairs, because my hairline, well, the way my hairline is, my edges come down pretty far, so this unit was not covering them at all. I also say that it's not big head friendly because, like I stated earlier, yes, the unit is sitting on my head comfortably, she's not squeezing or anything, but I would say if the cap was like a ½ inch to an inch smaller, then yeah, it might be some squeezing going on. Another thing I want to point out is that there are certain parts of the hair that do feel a little bit on the drier side. I didn't want to say rougher side because it doesn't feel rough, it just more so feels dry. So I would recommend using some bio silk. For some reason I was about to say bio oil. Make sure you use some either bio silk or just some type of moisturizer just to run throughout the hair. I don't really want to speak on tangling and shedding because when it comes to shedding, I did go in and pluck the hairline, so of course that might be causing some shedding from that. But then on top of that, when I was cutting off the ear tabs, I did go in and cut some of the hair. I don't know where I cut it, but I know I cut some on this side, so I've had a couple of pieces, a couple of chunks fall out, so I can't really speak on shedding because I don't want to misspeak on that. As far as tangling is concerned, I really can't speak on that either because, like I said earlier, I'm not running my fingers or brush or comb or anything through the hair. So far, I'm not getting any tangles, but I mean, let's be real, it is curly hair, so it is going to be a high maintenance type of unit. Speaking on this being a high maintenance unit, would I say that this unit is beginner friendly? No. I would say that she's intermediate and higher, and the reasoning for that is because I did have to, like I said earlier, go in and use a little bit of elbow grease to get the hairline right, and then with the adult baby hairs, and then just with the texture alone, yeah, you're gonna have to put in some work when it comes to this unit. But if you are a beginner and you choose to pick up this unit, just remember to take your time. Nobody goes as fast as they show in these videos. It's just going to take a little bit of practice, but ultimately I'm pretty sure your unit will come out beautiful. Lastly, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On LuvMe Hair's website, this unit is retailing for $189.90. Keep in mind that this is the 12-inch unit. If you choose to pick up the 14-inch unit, it's going to be a little bit more, but if you use my code Dotson, that should save you $47.48, which should then and bring your total to $142.42. Again, if you plan on picking up this unit, just be prepared to put it in a little bit of elbow grease. I feel like she's definitely worth it though. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the comment section below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.